Hello and welcome. In this short video we're going to show you how you can change the default shell for any user. First of all, let's see what kind of shells that you have available on your Linux machine. Currently I am logged into my Ubuntu machine, Ubuntu version 20.x, and the shells I have available here are these. These are the default. I haven't changed anything in here. And let's create a user. So I'm going to say user add, let's say Jack Smith, so we'll call him J Smith, and then password. Okay, we have created a user and we created a password for this user. Now let's grab this user from the password file. So J Smith in etc password, and we have an entry for this user. And as you can see, the default shell for this user is bin sh, and that's although sh and bash are similar, but we want to use the more newer features of the shell, so we want to change it to bin bash. So the way you do it is user mod --shell /bin/bash, and then the user ID, which is J Smith in our case. And now let's grab him again, and as you can see, our user's default shell has changed now from bin sh to bin bash. The next command I'm going to show you is chsh, and it's a command line utility for changing a login shell with the -e or -shell option. So let's grab our user again, J Smith etc password, and then we'll use chsh-shell bin. Now change it back to sh, and the username is J Smith, and let's see if it got changed. And as you can see, it's changed back to sh, and the command we used to change is chsh. So far we have learned two commands. One is user mod with the --shell option, then chsh with the --shell option. Now the third and last method that I'm going to show you is more of a manual method. Instead of doing it from the command line, what you want to do is get into the etc password file. This is provided the fact that you do know how to use the Vim editor or VI editor. So I am logged into the etc password file. I'm going to I'm going to type Shift G to get to the bottom, because this is the last user that I created, and last user by default always is at the bottom of the list in the etc password file. So if you look at the user J Smith, these are things that we are not concerned about, at least right now, and the only thing we are concerned about is this. And let's change it back. I'm gonna press lowercase I so I can insert, and then I type BA, hit escape, Shift:WQ, bang. Okay, now we are back, and let's grep, and you can see that I have changed it back to bash from sh. So this is how you can change the default shell for a user in 3 different ways. 2 of them much easier because you are doing it from the command line, and the chances of you corrupting the etc password files are less. But if you're not aware of those, then of course you can go into the password file. A good idea would be to make a backup copy by doing copy etc password to, let's say, sc password dot back. Now you have just made a copy, so even if you end up messing up the password file, you have a backup, and then you can use the move command from etc password dot back to etc password, and that will bring you back your original password file. Hopefully that this was helpful to you, and thanks for watching.